How to 1v1, 2v2, 3v3, 4v4, you could do whatever in a custom games with your friends or against a bot. So what you have to do first is click on play. Then once you click on play, you have to click on this option right here where it says change mode. Then once you do that, you have to go to custom game. Now once you're in custom game, you have to click on create. Then once you do that, you have to click on this and you could add anybody you want. So for example, if you want a friend on your team, you could invite them. Then once they join, you could switch them to the other team. You could do whatever. You could also add 4 spectators. You could also invite another friend. For example, if you invite 2 friends right here, 1 friend right here, you guys can have a 2v2. Also, if you want to switch, you could also click on this and you could go from this team to this team right here. You could also add bots. For example, AI difficulty, you could put that whatever. You could click on hard, for example. You could also click on random swap. You could also click on team swap. You could also come over here and switch the maps, for example. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.